Hello everyone, today's menu is stir-fried eggplant with pork. First, cut the eggplant into smaller pieces. Then mix the water with a teaspoon of salt. Then soak the eggplant for 10 minutes. While waiting for the eggplant, mince 4 cloves of garlic and mince 200 grams of pork. Now our cooking starts. First, fry the garlic and chili until it turns gold. Add our minced pork in and stir it well together. Then add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, and stir it well together. After that, add our eggplant. Make 1 teaspoon of cornstarch with 1 cup of water. Stir it for 5 more minutes. Finally, add some green onion if you prefer. Now our food is ready to serve. Thanks everyone for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.